Hello guys, welcome back to Life Has a Diff with LQ, and today we will be making Jiffy Cornbread. So the ingredients for this is milk, egg. It depends on how much you're making, but 1 egg for each box, and you're gonna need 1/3, like a 1/3 measuring cup. Okay, so first we're gonna start by adding the mix. Continue to mix until it's smooth. You have to like get the mix out. Okay, cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. And next, we're gonna prep the pan by smearing vegetable oil on it so it doesn't stick. Now we're gonna put this in the oven for 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Alright, this one is done. It's even overdone.
No.
Turn it around, let's see. Yes.
Wow.
Very good. If you touch it, you're gonna
Wow.
Okay, let's see.
Amazing.
Amazing. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. Bye.